Hi, everybody. Monday morning, daytime DAC on Blez. Because the championship games were yesterday, why not go back into the past? 1998 vintage. 98, it's Peyton Manning's rookie year. Topps, Randy Moss's rookie year, too. Topps Finest, Series 1, random team number 2. Hi, 40. Happy Monday, brother. All right, let's start randoming things up. Nine. Ninth and final. The Vikings are big. Indianapolis is big. There are a lot of random big teams. Tyler Lockett was a rookie here, too. 9, 9. One, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9. Hi, what up, Noah? Let's discount double check it. 9 dice, 9 random. Oh, was that the Dame? What was it, Dame time? Is that the logo man that hit? Noah? Nice. Nice. There you go. All right. Super fam. Peyton Manning rookies. Smooth Brain. Randy Moss rookies. They're other good, really good rookies. All right. Good luck, guys. Let's see a really good box. Topps Finest. Series 1, 98 Topps Finest. Very, very cool rip. Does it go that way? Which way does it go? Oh, it's just backwards. Guess it goes that way. Yeah. All right, guys. Here we go. I'm good. I'm all right, Forbes. Doing okay, buddy. All right. Good luck. Forbes. We got Noah. We got Noir on the screen. Noir basketball. We got a Mosaic 3-box. We got our favorite Prism Cello. And we're going to get Immaculate on the screen with Prism Hobby with the Bounty full case. All right. Obviously, everything ships in this. Greg Ellis, rookie. Father of Run CMC. That's always going to be tough. Ed McCaffrey. Wow, another Ed McCaffrey. Spielman, the great linebacker. Chris Spielman. Troy Vincent. I remember him. Stud corner for the Eagles. Kenny Norton Jr. Great linebacker. Son of the boxer, Ken Sr. Herman Moore for the Lions. Hines Ward, rookie for the Steelers. Takeo Spikes, rookie for the Bengals. Jeff George. Isaac Bruce. How many years was he playing? I don't even know. Yeah, all right. That was like his 4th year or something. Chris Carter for the Vikings. Gus Farrat. Zach Thomas. He's an all-timer. John Avery, rookie. Curtis Enos. Refractor of Chris Slade for the Patriots. Steve Young. Michael Irvin. Jaquez Green. Anthony Simmons, rookie. Terrell Green. Michael Strahan. The great Robert Smith. Robert Smith was good. Warwick Dunn. Charlie Garner. Danny Cannell. Florida State, right? Florida State Danny Cannell? Or Florida. Yep, no, Florida State. I don't know how I remember that. Joe Jaravicius, rookie. Penn State, Joe Jaravicius. Jason Peter for Carolina. Yep. It's stuck. There it is. Refractor of Randall Hill for the Saints. T.O. The GM. The GM. John Lynch. Air McNair. Marcus Nash, rookie. Ryan Simmons, rookie. Thurman. John Randall. Molds. The Bills. Aeneas Williams. That's only the first half. Just goes a little slow because it's hard to separate the cards. The Reg. Brian Greasy, rookie. Keith Brooking, rookie. Marcus. Neon Deion Sanders for Dallas. That's cool. Derek Thomas, the great linebacker for the Chiefs. More Reggie. Pathon. Remember him. Dwayne Starks. Bruce. Mark Shimura. Tight end for Brett Favre. Tony Gonzalez. There's Favre. Oh, case the Favre. Whatever. Skip Hicks. Chris Slade. Refractor. Tell me that's not that's the second Chris Slade refractor. I see Collation wasn't much better in 98. Russell. Warren Sapp. Jeff Blake. Antonio Freeman. Randy Moss, rookie. You go for the Vikings. Peyton, rookie. I forgot they run together. Let's go. Yep, that's right. I forgot. They put Moss and Manning together in this product. Tim Brown. Warren Moon for Seattle. Oh, I'm casing it just for fun. I'm casing it just for fun. Just for fun. Casing that. Patrick Johnson, rookie. Oh, I hate you. That's the card I hate. We might have to wait with that card. I'm not even kidding. Stephen Davis. Brad Johnson. He won a Super Bowl. Ray Caruth. Simeon Rice. John Elway. Wadsworth, rookie. Crowell, rookie. Wait, I cased the Favre, right? Yep. Sanders, Centers. More Warren Moon. Jermaine Lewis. Rodney Harrison. That's a Hall of Famer, I believe. All right. Now with the biggest problem, I forgot. The biggest problem of this open. This thing. I may have just gotten there. Give me a sec. Oh, man. I don't know why they did this. I don't know why they do it like this. But they did. Jesus Christ. It's just the most unbelievable thing. I can't get it. I can't get it. I'm not trying. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. And it's getting separated wrong. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna leave it, and when somebody gets here, they'll open it. All right. I'm sorry. We'll open this when it. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll do a separate video. Whatever. It's fine. I can't get it, and I'm not in the mood to try. Keep trying. All right. Hines Ward rookie, Randy Moss rookie, Peyton Manning rookie. And whenever we can get this, I mean, it's just don't know why they did it, why they do it like this. I don't really understand. But it's the way they used to do it. It's about the dumbest thing I ever heard, but it's okay. Because it really just doesn't make sense why you would take the chance of damaging a card this way, but I can't get it. I can't get it. All right. That's the break. We're going to do more breaks now.